Should you put all your money into Bitcoin at one price, or should you divide that money into several smaller purchases? That decision can have a major impact on both your risk and your emotions. Hey everybody, Joel with the Crypto Code here. We help everyday people understand crypto through practical education, research, and proper risk management. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research and never risk money you cannot afford to lose. When people become convinced that an opportunity is in front of them, they often feel pressure to act immediately. They do not want to miss the move, so they invest their entire planned amount at once. But there is a problem with that approach. No matter how strong the opportunity looks, you do not know whether today's price will be the lowest price available. The market could move higher immediately. It could also fall another 10, 20, or even 30% before recovering. That is why some investors build positions in stages. Let us say you have decided that you are willing to invest $4,000 into an asset. Instead of investing all $4,000 today, you could divide that capital into 4 separate purchases. You might make the first purchase when your initial conditions are met. Then, you reserve the remaining capital for later opportunities. If the price moves lower and your long-term reasoning remains intact, you still have money available. If the price moves higher, you already have some exposure. This does not guarantee a better entry. Nothing does. The advantage is that one decision does not determine your entire result. Buying in stages can also reduce emotional pressure. When people go all in, every price movement feels important. A small decline can feel like a disaster because there is no capital left to adjust the position. But when the position is built gradually, there is less pressure to be perfectly right on the first purchase. Now, this should not be random. You still need rules. How many purchases will you make? What conditions would justify another purchase? What would cause you to stop buying? And how much total capital are you willing to commit? Those decisions should be made before emotions take over. The goal is not to divide every investment into the same number of purchases. The goal is to avoid placing your entire strategy on one entry price. One purchase can be unlucky. A structured series of purchases gives your process more room to work. If you want to learn how we approach crypto with structure and proper risk management, subscribe to the channel and check out our free workshop in the link below. You can also learn how to get our free weekly trade plan there. Let us know in the comments, do you prefer buying all at once or building your position over time?